Hi guys, let's get cracking on with our daily horizon view, and the day is the 9th of the 4th, 2019. Our spotlight is on ASX MNRS, that is the BetaShares Global Gold Miners ETF, the currency hedged. And as always, this is our top 5's ASX Exchange Traded Funds. Quick look at the overall market. Up marginally at 0.07%, closed out at 63.15. Energy was a big mover, up 2%, followed along by information technology. Metals, we had gold and silver up, platinum up, crude oil and petroleum products overall up as well. Our top 5 percentage rises, we had UBE, OOO, MNRS, which is our feature today, Fuel, ISO. We'll have a quick look at UBE, which is a UBS IQ MSCI Europe ethical ETF. That one gives you exposure to European equity markets, and that tries to replicate the performance of the MSCI Europe ex tobacco and ex controversial weapons. We'll have a quick look at another one on the list. Really, ISO, that's the iShares S&P ASX Small Ordinaries. The other ones are all pretty common. Top 5 percentage falls. Today we had ETP MPD, ETP MPT, which is always a mouthful, QR, Rent, DJRE. The first two usually pretty familiar with is our physical platinum and physical palladium ETFs, backed by physical metals, and that's held in HSBC Bank in the US, so that goes for both of those ones. DJRE, which is a new one for me, I think, or it's not a common one anyway, so that's a State Street Spider Dow Jones Global Real Estate Fund, and that tracks the performance of the Dow Jones Global Select Real Estate Securities Index, and you'll get a dividend yield of about 3.89% currently. Our top $5 rises: UBE, IHOO, VGE, CETF, and OOO. We have a quick look at VGE, which is the Vanguard FTSE Emerging Market Share ETF. That one is a transition index. Gradually increases exposure to small capitalization stocks on the China A share market. So it looks at the small end of town. Moving along, really there's not much volume in that one. 70 traded today, which is nothing. 2.19% rise. Top $5 falls, we had ETP MPD, which is our physical palladium ETF. We had SPY, IVV, IJH, and ETP MPT, which is our physical platinum ETF. Quick look at SPY. SPY is a State Street Spider S&P 500 ETF, and that one tracks the performance on the S&P 500 in the States. Top 5 number of trades. STW, VAS, VGS, VAP, VAF. So we had STW had almost 550 trades today, which is 2.5 times roughly what VAS had. Just quickly for those who don't know or can't remember or new, STW is the State Street Spider S&P ASX 200 fund. That's designed to provide low portfolio turnover, accurate tracking of the index, and at low costs. That one roughly has 3.6 billion invested in at the moment. Top 5 volume: Fuel, Asia, VGS, IOZ, and AAA. So all minor stuff. We had the volume on fuel was a little over double that of Asia. For those who can't remember, fuel is the BetaShares Global Energy Companies ETF, and that's currency hedge and tracks the Nasdaq Global ex-Australia Energy Index. All the rest look pretty tame tonight. Top 5 value, we had VGS, Bill, VAS, STW, and AAA. We'll have very low values, lot of low volume stuff going through today. No great deal of action. The market was quite quiet on the whole. So have a quick look at Bill. So Bill is the iShares Core Cash ETF. That's a diversified portfolio of high quality short and medium term money market instruments. So have a quick look at our spotlight, and the spotlight is on ASX is MNRS, which is the BetaShares Global Gold Miners ETF, currency hedged. MNRS tracks the performance of the index before your fees and expenses, as per usual. Provides exposure to large global gold mining companies, excluding those listed in Australia, and it's hedged to Australian dollars. Simple way to access a diversified portfolio of the world's largest gold mining companies. Reduce currency risk, foreign currency exposure hedged to Australian dollar. Diversification in a single trade. You can get access to diversified portfolio of gold mining companies from a broad range of global jurisdictions. Cost effective, so the funds aim to track the performance of an index. No active manager fees, large company exposure. Strategy invests only in the most significant gold mining companies globally. Simplified tax administration, unlike cross-listed alternatives. Liquidity, we can trade that on the ASX like any other share. Should I flick through these?